Brothers Underwater Recovery is a dive team who searches for missing people and helps to clean up river systems.
Smooth bottom right here. Boat ramp just right up there. I'm gonna check this one out, and then we got another one over there across the river. We're gonna check it out. Actually, there's two of them over there. That is the boat ramp I was talking about. That far? Could be. I mean, they take cars over and dump them. I mean, we'll check all three of them. Every time we come over here, it either stormed or the waves were too big to get the boat on the water, or it was flooded, or something prevented us from coming over here. The other boat motor give out on me over there. Yeah, there's a boat backing in the water now. Eight foot of water. All right, guys, we are down by Henderson, Kentucky. We are across from the Dimond Island at a Kentucky boat ramp. We're gonna get out here on the water and sonar and see what we can find. And we've been over here, what, 2 or 3 times, and boat's messed up every time. The water's been rough, it's been raining, storming, all that kind of stuff. When we get over here and can't put in the water, or we do put in the water, boat motor messes up or something goes wrong. So we're gonna check it out and see if we can find something here in this water around this boat ramp. So stick with us, guys. All right, guys, we're taking off from this boat ramp, and we're gonna see what we can find. Nope. Ring, you ain't mean. Frank, you ain't good. I got the other boat ramp right there, which we just went over right there. Bunch of logs over here. Help. Hey, we got a car there, buddy. You got a car? Yep. Car right there. Split it right in half. else right there. Spin around, see what we can. Flip that other one, see what it actually is. Kind of looks like a trailer. Alright guys, let me get a good picture of it and then we'll pop back on here. Alright guys, right there, it looks like a truck to me. And that looks like another car right there. Well, we found a water dog. He's just enjoying the water. It's so hot out here. All right guys, so we just got a hold of the law enforcement. We've got a buoy on the vehicle right down there, which does look like a truck. Looks like it's a little silted in, but we did get a hold of law enforcement. They are on their way. Hopefully we get this out of the water pretty quick. And yeah, so awesome. We find out what it is, where it is, you know, what it's connected to, or whatever. If it's connected to a missing person, if it's connected to a stolen vehicle, just a dumped vehicle or whatever, we'll be able to
the bottom of the river.
And we can get it out of the bottom of the river, right?
Right.
That's right. All right guys, so we are back down here at the boat ramp. We are gonna try to see if we can snag this thing off the bank instead of getting the boat in the water, because it is kind of nasty looking out. And if it comes a flood, we don't want to have the boat in the water. But we're gonna see if we can snag it off of the riverbank, and hopefully I can dive it before this nasty weather comes in, worse than it already is. Got some clearing over there, hoping it's coming this way. We're right out there in front of that log. People in their trash. Whoa, bank's getting slick. I'm gonna go right on the other side of this tree. Because I think it is right out there. Give me just a second, guys, to get over this log and I'll get back with you.
That,
Yeah.
with this broke off piece.
Yeah, I think it's right out here, ain't it?
Straight out about 115 feet. I think we can get it from shore.
Let's see.
We're gonna find out.
We are. I better hold on to this part.
Tie it to a branch.
Ugh.
Yeah, it's like right in there. I was gonna say, put one of them fish heads on the end of it and have Ringo chase it out.
It's pretty muddy down there because it's just sliding.
Log.
Nothing. Just sliding. It's on the mud.
So how about fresh?
Huh?
You're not wetsuiting that.
No.
I was gonna say, you put your wetsuit on, your scuba, and just walk out and
Toss it.
yeah, then toss. And it was right. I think it was more to the right yet.
More to the right.
Yeah, because it was like straight from out. And that
Yeah,
buoy
'cause I ain't getting nothing but mud there.
I think it's more to the right, but you are getting the right distance.
That's what I was thinking. Pretty.
I don't know if you have long enough rope. Can you
And I'll throw it
balance
from
on
this side.
that? You say, can you balance right on the end of that?
Probably not without busting my butt.
Yeah, because it's wet now, so it's
Yeah.
probably a little slickery. Where you going, bud?
Ugh. I think it's a little farther out than that.
Yeah, that's all the rope we got, so let's add another one to it.
Ooh, I about slipped out my hand.
Looks like right there.
I think it's out just a little farther than what we can reach.
I'm saying we'd have to tie another rope to it
Yeah.
to get the distance we need. There we go.
Oh, that was deeper. For sure.
That's gotta be right. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Told you.
Nailed right on it.
That's what I said, we're not gonna need the boat.
Well. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep. Got her!
You need a little bit more rope, I can give you Ringo's leash.
Nope, this worked.
I can give you 6 foot or 12. And you thought I was crazy. That worked out excellent.
It did.
Now we don't need to unload, reload.
I'd kind of rather do it.
Off the boat.
All right, guys, so I just got out of the water diving. It is most definitely a truck. It is pretty silted in, so we would have to go through the cab and all. Mosquitoes. We would have to go through the cab to pull it out. I'm actually on the phone with Tri-State Towing at the moment, talking to them, trying to get something together on pulling this vehicle, getting it out of the water. We're gonna go ahead and let the authorities know. They come out earlier today. We did talk to them. It was gonna storm, so they decided that, you know, the dive team wasn't gonna dive it. So I waited for the storm to get over with. I dove it. It is a single cab. Passenger driver windows are open, so they're down. The windshield and back windshield is intact. It feels like an older model Chevrolet or Ford, not sure. It is completely silted in up to the railings of the back. So I couldn't get down to see if there's any license plates or anything like that. So I guess we'll find that out when it comes out of the water. I will probably do the recovery on a different video. So if you guys want to see that, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Stay tuned. And we will get that video out to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Love you. Later. Till next time, stick with us.